Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Whether you prefer the built-in method or want that full glassy look, I've got both options covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Transparent. Click on Make Start, Taskbar and Action Center Transparent. Then, just toggle on the switch for transparency effects. And that's it for the built-in method. Step 2. If you want full transparency or that cool glass-like blur effect, use a free tool called Translucent TB. Head over to the Microsoft Store and search for it. Step 3. Once installed, open the app. You'll notice a small icon in your system tray. Click it to choose different transparency modes, like clear, blur, or opaque, to match your style. Step 4. Right-click the translucent TB icon in your tray, select Open at Boot, and make sure it's checked. This ensures your transparent taskbar shows up automatically every time you start your PC. Bonus tip: combine translucent TB with dark mode or accent colors in Windows settings for an ultra-clean desktop setup. And that's how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11 or 10. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time!